Our goal for this look is to embrace and enhance her natural tones that are already so beautiful. First, I'm going to section out her hairline and her crown area. This is where I'm going to focus most of my lightening because this is where highlights naturally occur anyways. Next, I'm going to mix BLONDME 9+ with 40 grams of lightener and 30 grams of 7 volume and 30 grams of 20 volume. I'm going to take large weaved sections from the interior and backcomb and thoroughly apply my lightener to the base. Use a clip to secure the tease to make sure it doesn't fall down into your highlights. On the ends, I'm going to apply BLONDME clay and 7 volume at a 1:1 ratio to lighten her ends. Continue this process all the way up the head. Next, I'm going to mix BLONDME 9+ with 40 grams of lightener and 30 grams of 7 volume and 10 grams of 20 volume to be more gentle around the hairline. Next, apply cotton in between the foils to relieve pressure and prevent bleed marks. Next, I'm going to utilize Air Touch for a soft yet bold money piece and hairline. Let this process for approximately 40 minutes. Shampoo with BLONDME All Blondes to thoroughly remove lightener. Next, for her root shade and her lowlights, I'm going to utilize Ice, Deep Chestnut, and Granite, equal parts with 7 volume developer. I'm going to weave out thick pieces of the hair that I lightened to apply the lowlights using mesh to add dimension to her hair. For her front hairline, I'm going to use BLONDME Ice and 7 volume and let this process for approximately 15 minutes. As you can see, the tones are very icy and rich. I'm going to style her using Osis Topped Up Mousse for added volume and texture. Look at this beautiful hairline and the really awesome dimension throughout.